So hello to everyone. Here is my new project about upgrading my brake system on the rear axle, and these are the brakes I have got. The standard brakes on my car are non-ventilated with 219mm rotors, and these are 300mm rotors with ventilated option, and they are directly from W210 E55 AMG. Here you can see the brake disc itself. I am lucky because I found one E55 in the junkyard and removed these brakes from the car. The rotors are almost new. They are still factory coated, and here you can see all the part numbers of this rotor. These are not Mercedes original parts, but very solid construction and very good looking rotors, especially for the price I gave for it. They have no defects. They only have inside some rust spots, but it is not big deal. The rotors came with brake pads, which are also almost new. This secure plate and the pins are also included. And now I will show the brake caliper. Here it is. You can see that the rubber seals are in good condition. The pistons are not corroded very much. Here you can see a little defect on the rubber seal, but I think it will not affect on the working ability of this caliper, and if it will, I will replace these seals. Here you can see all the part numbers of the brake caliper and how it looks. I tried to clean it as I could, and I think that now it looks good. Here it is. I want to say that this is the bolt-on upgrade. These calipers and rotors will be fit on any W210 chassis without any modifications. You only need the bolts for it, brake caliper bolts, and tomorrow I will get that bolts also. Now let's move on and see the second brake disc. The condition is almost the same as the first one, almost brand new with the factory coating. No rust, no cracks and other issues. It has a little layer of the rust, but when I will install it and I will brake, this rust will be gone. So they are ready for the installation and don't need any modifications or cleaning procedures. Now let's see the second brake caliper, which came with the pins, secure plate and the brake pads. Here you can see I cleaned them as I could. I don't gone crazy because you know brake dust and it will dirty very soon. Here is another brake caliper with all numbers on it. They are made by AT brand. This is the inside And here are the pistons and the rubber seals, and both of them are in great condition, no cracks and damages. So this is in a very good condition. So guys, very soon I will mount them on my car. I will do the separate video about it, and I will share with you my results. Will it affect on the braking or not? I'm very happy because I paid about $150 for both this kit, and this is the real bargain. So guys, stay tuned and see how I will upgrade my brakes very soon. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Goodbye.